Screw you.
Come on,
First time I saw you, you're the one who started it.
No.
Seriously.
No, it isn't. No.
Yes.
I didn't start it. You were like, nah, nah, nah,
I was like
nah,
talking
and I'm like, I
like
don't
a
remember
sensible
you.
Person,
No, you
and
weren't.
Through your keyblade.
No,
Yeah.
no, you were talking to me like a whore.
You agreed with the black man. You racist. You chose the black man over me.
No, I didn't. I didn't even know he was there. That was, shut up.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
no.
what I thought.
No, what happened
Awesome.
was, you're a bitch. What is this? Okay. What happened was, you decided to be a whore
As always.
and be like, yeah, the Roxas I know is long gone. And then you pulled out your stupid fire crap.
Fire crap.
And I was trying to just get past you. I didn't want to fight you. I was just trying to get past you, and then I had to pull out my keyblades because you're stupid.
You're a little bitch.
Yeah, you're just, I hate you.
I know.
You're hated.
Molest your pants.
First you hate him, and then...
And then you molest me.
Well, what's wrong with that? I don't see anything wrong with that. So.
And the video has, like, no idea.
The video's like, what the hell's going on here?
Fun then.
That was a really awkward place for your phone to be.
Yeah.
Hello.
Roxas has a really girly voice right now.
Roxas does.
Shut
How dare you, Roxas?
Shut up.
What are you doing?
Screaming.
Oh, are you still? Yeah, I take that as a yes. That's my eye.
I see things with it. I kind of need that. Oh, yep. Oh, good job, Rox.
You failed!
Shut up.
You fell over the toilet. Give me my camera
I get a
back.
video
At
clip
least
your
you didn't fall
non-boobs.
in like you.
Just right there. Tight shot. Yep.
Man boob.
That's just it.
That's hot.
Here we go.
That would be masturbation, thank you.
What's wrong with that? I don't see anything wrong with that.
You don't see anything wrong with anything!
I want this. Why can't I have this?
Because I said so.
Just gonna steal all your crap, Axel.
Yep, done with the video now.